Hello everyone, my name is Live Chin. Thank you for coming and watching our YouTube channel. Today I want to give you some updates in Power BI. One of the things I want you to take note of is that you have to always be able to work according to trends. Okay, you must be updated with what is happening with some of these tools in order to be ahead of time. Okay, and one of the updates that Power BI has done is that they have changed the position of their visuals, and they have done a lot of changes. So I'm going to be analyzing data today. Everything I'm going to be doing is going to be different from the Power BI that you used to know. But first, let me show you something. When you come here on your Power BI, it's already open. When you come here on your Power BI and you come to help, okay, an option pops up here just by your left at this corner. It says about with an opposite exclamation sign. Okay, and then you click there. Now when you click there, you see this other a dialog box opens here, and then it helps you to say Microsoft Power BI Desktop is a companion product to app.powerbi.com. Now it tells you the update, the version, the new version for March. Okay, we are now in 2023. Okay, so this version was updated in March. So it says March 2023. So every time you want to know the new version of Power BI, it's always good to check it this way. Come here to help and then go to about. And why is it so? I downloaded this version directly from the Microsoft Store on my machine. So each time they do an update, it automatically updates with my software as well in my machine. Okay, but if you download it in an open source somewhere else, you will not have that. You need to be re-downloading and re-downloading. And currently I just attended a launch of some of their product, the Microsoft Bing, which I will be talking about too as well. That's amazing. We did that announcement. I was able to see it beside my Power BI. Okay, so when they do any updates, you see it beside your Power BI desktop. So this is very important. It's a good practice to always download from or get the product from their Microsoft Store. So in that set, we are going to be going in to show you the difference, how it used to look like and what it is now. So normally I'll just come here now and I come to home. If you look at home, you find out that the visuals are found here. You see, they are found here. Originally or previously they are found on this corner here. Okay, they used to be found beside here, which today is not the case because they have done some changes. Okay, so right now I'm going to go back to home. Okay, I just put that. Okay, so beside here I can just hover around. You see it opens, and then here I can just block it back. Okay, so right here I just wanted to show you that the visuals have moved from here to here right now. How does this happen? Is simple. You have to make this active. You have to go to file here. When you go to file, you go to options and setting here, and then you go to options here. Once you go to options and settings, look for preview features. Preview features here, they are mostly talking about how you do your visuals. Okay, we'll be talking about all that. Now there's something about Power BI and other products, especially Power BI. Anytime you want to have an activity, you have to come and put it on. So it's your right, it's your will. They allow you to choose things and use them based on what you want to do. For you see modern visual tool tips, I've put it on. So all these are already on. That's why you see them active. If I uncheck all these, you will not see that each time I'm doing reports. So now the update I want to show you is on object interaction. So if you have the previous form of Power BI and you want to put this on, all you need to do is go through this process as I went through, and then you come here and put this on. Okay, you check this. Once you check this, and then you automatically have this interface where your visuals will move from here and then come here. They will move from here and then come here, and then with the other internal features that you will see how you'll be seeing how I'm analyzing some data using some visuals in a while. So right here, while you have this check on, you need now to click OK. When you click OK, it will take your Power BI off. You restart your Power BI all over again, and when you put it on, you are going to see a new interface like this now. Okay, so let's just go in quick and then we get data, and then when we get data from our Excel sheet, we have an Excel sheet called R. Here I'm also doing a lot with R software to analyze data, so I just named this R because I've been using it in that software a lot. So we just bring this in and then we begin to analyze data very briefly. Okay, to click this, it comes in and we have many tables. We'll just preview these tables. I want to click the first one which says forms, and then I want to check. Okay, I want to go to the second one. It doesn't have all the information I need. We uncheck this one. This one doesn't have. We go to form 2. I just want to check. I just wanted to bring in one table and then we use it. Okay, perfect. So I want this one. So now I'm going to go to transform. Okay, you see what I'm doing? I'm going to go to transform the data. I just want to get few columns, and then I bring it into my Power BI, and then we do some samples to see what the new feature in March looks like compared to the previous ones when we look at when we watch our Power BI for beginners. So right now it brings us here real quick, and this is our table. This is all our table here. Here now there's something I want us to check. When we come here to transform, we click on this transform up here. It says something that is amazing. It says that we want to use first row as headers. There's always a challenge that we always have. Sometimes when you bring in data into your Power BI, this row here, this city, which was supposed to be one of the items under the header, it instead turns to header, and then the cities turn to normal data. So in order to change this, you just need to come here and they say use first row as headers. Okay, and you click use headers as first row. So I can use headers as first row. I can click here, you see automatically it will change. I just want to show you this. It's very important. Also it's a good tip, you see. So now my city was supposed to be headers, state was supposed to be header, category was supposed to be header, you see. So you always have this challenge each time you bring in data. So if you have this, please don't stress, just come to transform and go here and you see you want to use first row as header, and you click instead. You see now state and category, they will go back to become headers. You see now they are headers. Okay, this is a quick tip I just wanted to give you before we move forward. Okay, so here now you also check to see this is dealing with numbers, so we have 1 2 3. Is dealing with money, so we have 1.2. okay, this is dealing with text, so we have ABC. Is okay. This is dealing with ABC. This is data types. This is dealing with ABC. So this is fine. So we just load this. We just go now to home here and we go to close and apply, and so amazingly our data is loaded. So if we come here, you see you click, you find the data all here. You have category, city, or order, priority, profit, etc. okay, you have it here. And then another thing I want us to see here is that if you go to insert and you click, you see the visuals are here around insert here. If you go to home, you click, they are found on this other side. It means you have two options to begin to work with them. Let's say here we want to find profit per category. We click category. Okay, we just click category. Oh, sorry, yeah, we click category, profit per category, and then we come and click profit here as well. Perfect. We want to see profit per category. Okay, we want to see how each category has a grade. So right here, usually you find the visuals here, but right here you see what is happening. If I come up here and I click here, you see build visual. You see it gives me different options of visuals here. This makes your Power BI simple. Remember, all these options used to be found only here. It means I could only come here to do visuals. You see now, so they have it here, have it in your insert, and you also have it here. So I can come here and begin to change the visual. I can decide to use stack column chart here. I can decide to click stack column chart. You see, I'll just click stack column chart. Let's wait for it to give us a result. You see, it gives us a result here. So I can change. Okay, I can decide to do whatever I want in terms of the visuals. If I go back and I click it, then I come to this small icon here. It's just amazing. It's just amazing. So right here I can decide to put data labels on from here. But remember, you have to go through a lot of process to begin to check the data labels left and right, you know. So right from here I can just put my data labels. You see, my data labels are on. So it says, you see, data labels are these millions that you see here. I can just go up here and then I delete and I click on check x-axis. You see, you will uncheck my x-axis from here. You see, everything, the x-axis is off. You see, I can go also and I put it back. Just pay attention. I've clicked on my x-axis again. Just pay attention. It's going to come back here. You see, it is back, sum of profit. So this is just how we play around. Here, total labels. So we can come here and we ask, let's add our x label, sorry. And then you can also add your legend. Here we don't have a legend, so it didn't give us an option. So here zoom slicers, we can see, come here and we put our zoom slicers on, so we see what that means. You see, this is our zoom slicers. It means I can come from up here and then I begin to zoom. You see, I can begin to zoom to see what is under my data. You see, to see what is under my data, to really check and see exactly specifically what the figures are all talking about. So this is the new Power BI option that has been included in our Power BI experience in the software. We want to thank Microsoft a lot, and thank all of you who are learning with us. Stay blessed and continue to learn with us.
Hello, thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure you click the bell for notification, and also make sure you subscribe for more lessons. Stay blessed.